Yo, y'all already know this your girl Zoe.
And your girl Reina.
And you already know we are back with another up one. Yeah, we back at it again. Finna eat a little seafood. If you guys are new to our channel, please make sure you guys go like, comment, subscribe, push your notification bells on, always and forever. Today, you guys, we are coming with, you already know.
Some seafood, you guys. As you can see, we gotta use some crabs and stuff like that from
Hot and Juicy. So, we got the Hot and Juicy sauce. What we got in here? We got shrimp, corn, potatoes,
sausages.
Sausage. Oh my god! I should have kept my
Right
gloves on. Crawfish, snow crabs as well. Ugh, this is gonna be messy.
Yeah, it's gonna be messy. Some shoes.
Oh my god.
It's on my shoes. The sauce. Ooh. That sauce is good. You tried it?
Not yet. I'm trying to peel off my shrimp.
It's spicy though.
I said it mild. Oh, that's good.
It is good.
Got kids.
What are you eating?
Trying to get my shrimp.
Shrimp for y'all. Y'all want a shrimp? Here's a random game. Shrimp.
I can't do these gloves.
Why you can't?
It's taking too long.
Your hand gonna smell like
I
straight
know. It's all
seafood.
good. I can't. It's taking too long, girl.
How was y'all day? By the way, what's today, babe? Today is President Day, ain't it? Ew.
Get your crawfish on.
Get your crawfish on.
Comment down below if y'all like crawfish.
Let me see how you eat them. Show them how you eat them, because I don't know how you eat them.
You just really take the tail off. That's it.
How you take the tail off?
Oh, you just pull it off like I did.
Let me see. I have a shrimp though. Make sure you guys go like and comment and subscribe. Because you don't want to miss our up ones. Look, y'all. Ooh.
Some people eat this head, but I don't know.
You eat the head?
Some people go in and eat the head, but I don't.
Oh, this is so good. It's good, huh? Spicy. How homeboy do it? Woo! Spicy. It's good.
They do got kids.
Babe, how they do it with the mukbang? I think we did that last time. But you didn't even try these.
Give me one.
You want one?
kind of overpowering.
It's overpowering. It's like really strong. I guess that's why they say hot, juicy.
If you guys I'm pretty sure they have it in other places as well, but when if you guys decide to come to Florida, hit up Hot and Juicy. They really good. They got different type of spices. Once again, like we have the Hot and Juicy. I really I couldn't decide if I wanted the Hot and Juicy sauce or if I wanted the Louisiana sauce.
Have y'all had the Louisiana one? Was it good? And if it was, I need to try it. But it got potato in them. I couldn't eat it how you eating it because I got my nails.
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh. Spicy. But it's a good sauce too, baby. Yeah, you guys. Pretty good.
It's hot, bro.
It's too spicy.
It's spicy. I don't think this is mild.
It's pretty good though.
Huh?
It's pretty good. It's these, you guys. This is what I wanted.
Snow crab. I love snow crab. She's not really big on blue crab. I mean, blue crabs are good too. That if you like the whole body or whatnot.
No.
You should try the sausage.
Be good?
Mm-hmm. Try that.
You showing what we're drinking? Ooh, babe.
We have the strawberry margaritas.
Pretty good. Maybe I get shrimp. Shrimp.
You want shrimp?
Thank you.
Ooh.
Watch out. You in white too.
I know, that's why I'm wearing this bill.
Oh, that came straight out of the thing.
Yeah. Dip it up in that sauce. Let it drip.
Oh, you ain't getting this sauce, huh? That's probably mine.
Oh, really?
Huh?
Really?
I said that's probably mine.
I don't know. That got kicked too.
That's what the crab came in and it was good. But it's good, I like it. Just the hot and juicy. I like it. And it's mild. Ooh. I think they cheated me off with this one right here. With a, where is it at? They cheated me, babe. I'm gonna tell you this now. If you wanna eat seafood, you better have some money.
What you say, girl? Seafood is expensive, auntie.
Better have some money if you want to eat some good seafood.
It's expensive. I want some seafood though. Yeah.
Huh?
I want some seafood. You've been wanting it for a while, really.
But I kept changing my mind.
Why is that? Why you got changing your mind, babe?
I always change my mind,
Is this something you wanna talk about with the Reina gang?
You know what's something so good, you guys? You can't talk. Just gotta watch me. Y'all could be like, what's she doing? Eating this crab, y'all. I'm trying to focus. I can't talk and break legs at the same time.
So you ain't eat one of these.
Oh, hell no! It looks scary.
She don't too much like crawfish. Calamari.
I'll try
She
it.
don't like squid. Huh?
I'll try one. It looks scary.
It's just, it kind of reminds me of a lobster. Just
A lobster.
Just small though. Go get this one.
How am I supposed to eat it? What?
You
Take out the
this.
part that I need to eat. Where is that?
Right here.
It's with a bone?
Right here.
Mm.
I know you don't want that. Right there.
I'm supposed to peel it?
Yeah, you just open it and, go from there.
Oh, look, a little lobster tail.
Yeah. Some people eat, like, all of this stuff here, but I don't.
No, ma'am.
I just eat the tail when it comes to crawfish. Because I feel like everything else is just, it's not good to me. But everybody, eat different. So,
Renegade.
Anyway.
You see Zoe eating them crawfishes? Cool. Oh, we see our little babies yesterday in their little outfits. They were so cute, y'all.
I have to show y'all.
They were so cute with their little Valentine outfits on. We want to see our other babies. But they traveling far. They traveling afar.
Yeah.
Ooh. You got it on your shirt?
I'm glad I'm wearing this bib. Because...
It's on your shirt?
It's on this bib, though. Guys, do not wear white when you're eating crabs, okay? Seafood, period, okay?
Okay, you guys, I'm gonna try this little baby lobster thing. This look crazy. Look how it look, y'all. It do look like a little baby lobster. It looks weird.
Can they see it?
Can they see it?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. Have y'all ate these before?
Crawfish.
That's it. That's what I do. I just take this shells off.
Mm-hmm. Unless you wanna eat the whole body.
What's all this? Oh, gotta take that out.
Oh, girl. This got way too much seasoning.
Yeah, that season a little powerful, isn't it?
Mm-hmm.
They ain't gonna cheap you out with them seasonings. All right, you guys, I'm gonna try this thing.
Try it, babe.
Looks weird, y'all.
Try it, try it, try it, try it, try it, try it.
Excuse me.
With dipping in the soul. She gonna try it. But it's pretty good. It's just like when you eating crawfish, it's like you gotta eat a lot of them so you can get full. That's the only thing. Cause they so little. Like, see, look how little they are. Well, this one is a big one.
That's a big crawfish. Look at them.
This is a big crawfish. Yeah, but I'm saying like I'm gonna sit that right there, just like that for y'all.
Oh my
like
gosh,
that.
look at him. He looking at y'all. He said, "Hey, Reina gang. Hey, Reina gang.
Sit it right down.
Hey, Reina gang.
But yeah,
I came to visit y'all today."
but since they so small, you gotta eat just to get full of it. You want another one?
That's one is different. It's the same thing. No, yours is a little waterier than mine.
So yours a little thicker.
It's thicker.
Let me try yours.
Yeah, it's a little thicker. Thicker than a Snicker. You guys,
We really don't have too much to talk about, y'all. We just came on here to eat seafood with y'all.
try our experience. Well, yeah, try our experience with
Hot and juicy?
Hot and Juicy with y'all.
Hot and juicy. Ooh la la. Hot and juicy. Hot
It's
and
pretty
juicy.
good,
Ooh
y'all.
la la. Hot and juicy. Man, why they can't just have this already peeled, bro?
I'm going to the
I don't have
jacuzzi.
time for this. You want what? To the jacuzzi? Oh, you guys, we was in the jacuzzi like
That's the
earlier.
best time to get in the jacuzzi.
I kid you not, it feels way more better to get into it at night. It's so relaxing. It's like,
They relax your body.
You know-
I
you
didn't
know
feel
how,
no
like-
pain when I got out.
you know how you give a newborn, they warm bottle milk before they go to bed? That's how I feel when you get in the jacuzzi.
What I got on my face?
Look on your face, babe.
Oh, something flicked on my face.
Right, not on your face. Let me try your sauce. Ooh, girl, your sauce is thick. Thicker than a smoker. Thicker than a smoker.
Yeah. Ooh. That's the spicy one.
But your sauce real thick.
But it's good though.
But yeah, you guys, getting in the jacuzzi is better at night. Getting in the pool is better at night, period. Hands down. All right. It's good.
Period.
It's so relaxing to get you ready for bed. Baby, want some more?
Yeah, you guys.
Look at all this food.
Yeah. They give a lot.
Yeah.
For that price, they better give me a lot of food.
Tell you the truth,
You didn't even get your order.
girl,
They didn't even
it's
have
already
my order.
game. This what happened, okay? We was already back to our hotel or whatever. Then we realized, like, okay, something told me to look in the bag, but I did look in the bag before I had got the order or whatever. So apparently the guy had rung up my wife's order or whatever, and he ain't rang up my order, and I'm like, what's going on?
Where my card, my red?
You forgot my order. You ain't rang it up. You overcharged me. I don't know. What's the tea?
What's up?
Tell you how we went back on our phone, drove way back over there again.
Yeah, we gonna get our money back. Let's go get our money back.
Apparently, what happened was he was like,
He
"Oh,
didn't ring it up."
he didn't ring it up," and I was like, "You didn't ring it up. You gonna have to change that, sir. It's 2 people.
Hello.
Me and my wife likes to eat.
Yeah. She like her own food, y'all, and I like my own food.
It's not that we don't share.
We share.
We share. It's just
because even if I get my food and she get
me
her
and my
food,
wife
she's still gonna try my food. Trust.
Oh
and
yeah,
I'll
like
try
every
hers,
time
but-
we go to the restaurant, baby like, oh babe, get that so I could try it.
Yeah.
And you try mine. That's what we do.
So we'll get like two different meals and we'll try both.
Mm-hmm. Or even with the advertiser, she'll be like, oh, you can get this and I get this.
Yeah.
Or do you want to try this and I try that?
And then we both can try it.
That's how we do it. And we both try it. And be like,
Okay.
is it good? It's
Not
good. It's not good. Don't stop.
We ain't eating that.
We ain't doing that no more.
We ain't finishing that. That's going in the garbage.
Kind of got me tipsy. They ain't been drinking.
Oh yeah, and they sell drinks, you guys.
They sell
And you can take it to go.
beverages to go. Yeah.
So,
Honestly, I think every restaurant should do that. Have
Chili's do it now.
Well, yeah, Chili's. I'm talking about like everybody. Applebee's. All of them need to do that. Have drinks to go.
Well,
Since we are like still kind of in the pandemic, I feel like y'all need to do that.
Cause you can't sit there and drink it, so
Every restaurant,
you might as well.
you should be able to have your liquor to go. And that's on what?
Zone Reina, period. Pull up in a dim non go away. Ooh.
Oh, she got a fatty.
Basic. I got a what?
You got a fatty.
Yeah. Mm. Mm-hmm.
You like that on? It look like you just came just then.
Don't listen to her, y'all.
Disregard what I just said, y'all.
Yeah, we got
Oh my god, did that thing just flicked on my glasses? Is it on there? To the left.
What?
No? On this side. Ain't that on my glasses? Girl, I felt something on my eye.
On your, on your eye, because your glasses blocking your eye.
It probably went up under there.
Okay. Whew. I think I'm full, y'all.
You getting full. And look how it's stuck.
I'm good. I think I'm
You
doing.
gotta eat some more, baby.
We got tomorrow or later.
You gotta eat some more, love.
I already
For
saw
real.
Mmm.
Y'all comment down below if you like seafood. Just comment down below.
Just comment.
Just comment.
People.
Just like.
Some people don't even. Yeah, just like it.
Just share. It's
Just
free.
love it.
Just yeah. For real.
Some people don't like seafood though.
Oh well, comment down below if you like corn. You like sausages? You want one? Comment down below.
Yeah. Oh. I almost got my hand.
I do appreciate all the love and support that we getting from Zoe and Reina gang. I highly appreciate that, you guys. Y'all keep commenting because we do look at every comment. We do
respond.
We do respond to every comment. Oh, that's good.
We appreciate the ones that's been here since day one.
Supporting somebody is free. I keep telling somebody that. I keep telling people that. But you don't want these crawfish. I'm gonna finish. Yeah, get another one. Look. Get this
No,
one.
baby. I'm good, Pooh.
Just my mouth, love. Oh my God, babe.
I'll get a shrimp.
Fill up. Oh, you want a shrimp?
I think I'm done, baby.
They shrimp so big too.
Yeah. I'm done, you guys.
Baby still got sausages over here.
That
You ain't trying to hear none of that right now.
Then it fall. Dang, it sound like it's raining out there, man. It sound like
You want a
tornado. I got full off eating them shrimp and
Your snow crab.
my crabs. And I was drinking my stuff. Margarita. You guys.
I love corn. I just don't love when it be stuck in my teeth.
I love everything until they get stuck all in my teeth.
Get into that sausage. Just get into that. Y'all see the drip. You see the drip of the sauce. Yes, auntie. Enhance that.
The spiciness. That's what making me messing with my throat.
You might need to get some water there. You got water over there.
I'm getting hot.
I'm turning the air on.
From the spicy. Oh, babe, you tear them crawfishes up. Okay, I'm done, babe.
You done?
Yeah. I got full fast, didn't I?
Ooh, this is burning my tongue.
Yeah. Oh. Shallow.
All right, baby, you got it ready to wrap this up?
Yeah.
Okay, take us out.
So you guys make sure you like, comment, subscribe.
Always keep your post notification bells on.
So y'all know when we are uploading our what?
With these saucy fingers. Up one.